It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Hey Rain! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your special day. Sorry kasi hindi ako nakauwi this time on your birthday. Pero sana, ma-appreciate mo yung gift ko para sa'yo. Kahit binata ka na, sana maging masunurin at magalang ka pa rin. Always respect elders, especially our parents. Bawas-bawasan ang pagiging bugnutin. Tulungan mo lagi sila mama at papa sa mga gawain sa bahay. And sana, kahit binata ka na, you'll still remain sweet and thoughtful sa amin. Basta maging mabuting tao ka lang, okay na yun sa amin. I pray that you will continue to grow in faith with our Lord Jesus, and that all your hopes and dreams will soon come true. I love you, Renzo. Happy birthday! P.S. Mag-diet ka na, ha?
I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I?